Welcome to this month's Bright Market Minute. I'm Dr. Lisa Sturdivant, Bright MLS Chief Economist. Well, after rising to above 7%, mortgage rates fell by a half percentage point in November. So did that bring buyers back into the market? Well, not really. The market really exhibited typical winter holiday slowdowns. So what are three things we're now watching as we head into the end of the year? First, home sales activity has fallen to a level not seen in years. Across the Bright MLS footprint, there were about 17,000 home sales in November, which is 35.7% lower than last year. And it's the lowest November sales total since 2015, which really reflects just how much the market has contracted. But second, it's not just about buyers. Sellers were also on the sidelines. New listings were 22% lower than last year. And the number of new listings was actually also down 21% compared to October. Now, that's a typical seasonal pattern. It's just that new listing activity was just so low already going into the holidays, so supply is even more limited. Third, and most important as we head into December, is to look at where we think the market's headed in the new year. We saw that even when mortgage rates dropped by a half percentage point, it did not induce a lot of new buyers in the market. And it's obvious that it is about more than rates that is keeping buyers on the sidelines. But demand will be back in 2023. Prospective buyers are starting to get more accustomed to higher rates as 6% becomes the new normal. Inventory will tick up a little bit, but there are no signs of a big surge in supply. So the market is poised to continue its transition into 2023. The Mid-Atlantic market is actually much better positioned than many other markets to fend off a major market correction next year. We've released our 2023 housing market forecasts, both for the nation and the Mid-Atlantic market. Our forecasts predict a 5% drop in U.S. home sales next year. In the Bright MLS footprint, home sales are also expected to be down about 5%, with sales down 2% in the Philadelphia area, 6% in the Baltimore area, and 4% in the Washington area. Median home prices are projected to be flat in 2023, rising by just a 0.5% in the Mid-Atlantic market. The Mid-Atlantic's major metro areas will see slightly stronger price appreciation than the outlying areas. You can find details on our housing market forecast on the Bright MLS website. And of course, you can find all of our weekly and monthly reports on the site as well. That's it for this month's Market Minute. See you next month, where I'll have the year in review edition of the Market Minute.